This is my review for the Shaw R959 SL A8 microwave oven with grill and jet convection. It's a 900 watts, so will do your food quite quick. It's got a 40 litre capacity, so quite spacious. It comes with 2 racks, a low rack and a high rack for multiple cooking, which is an amazing feature. It's very simple to use. We've got something already in there waiting to be cooked. That's going to take 2 minutes. So these are the buttons, which are quite simple to use. You see them there. We've got 10 minutes, we've got minutes, and we've got seconds. Micro power, grill, convection and combi. We've got an express cook and we've got express defrost. We've also got here auto cook menus, auto cook food. We've got the weight, high and low. We've got time, up and down, kitchen timer, auto minute and clear stop and start buttons. So we're going to put this on for 2 minutes. So we press the 1 minute twice till we get the 2, and there's the 2 minutes, and then we also click the start button. There you go. It's got a light on inside the microwave, which is a good feature as well. Now, because it's got seconds here, if you've got something that needs cooking, say for 5.5 minutes, you press the 1 till you get to 5, and then you'll press the 10 seconds till you get to 30 and hit the start button, which will give you the minutes and the seconds time. It's got energy saving mode, whereas if it's not used for 3 minutes or more, it will shut itself off on the screen, so that'll be clear so that it does save energy. Opening the door is quite easy with this big handle it's quite big. Brilliant for the vulnerable users like myself. It's just an easy pull and push shut. It's got an easy stop start button down there, as you can see. It's very easy to clean because it's so spacious inside. You haven't got very many niggly bits. The plate just comes in and out, as you can see. Sparkly and new it is. Looks very nice. You can cook anything in here, from a simple ready meal to a delicious hearty roast. There is also a defrost mode, which I've already spoken about. That's express defrost. In a lot of ways it's more convenient than a standard oven and grill, and because this microwave sits on a worktop, it's also easier to clean than a standard grill and oven. All members of my family use it. My youngest boy is 13 and has cooked microwave meals and microwave pizzas himself. The only con I have about this model is its big and bulky size. However, you get what you pay for. The manual is very easy to read, and also while I was reading through it, I came across some recipes towards the back of the book, which I found was a massive bonus. That's always good to have a recipe or two. I would give this microwave a 5-star rating, so if you were thinking of purchasing one, this is a model I would highly recommend. So because we've stopped it there, we can just restart it there, and it's going again, as you can see. So yeah, that's my review for this microwave jet convection grill and oven. I hope you like it. Thank you.